here we go. We're in progress. So, wow, that's beautiful. Wow, what's that? That's a lot of balloons, guys. Look at that. USSA. See? It's beautiful. And there's a shark also here. Look at those. Wow. Do you like that, guys? See? And this one, that's a big. Look at that. Wow. It's a kite balloon. So, diba? Oh. There's a soccer also. It's a lot of here, a lot of choices. Baby girl, a baby girl. See, girl, it's a girl. Soccer.
You look for soccer?
Yeah, I'm
There's
just
some
thinking.
soccer up there too.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I got it. See, there's a lot of option here, guys. Also there, Mickey Mouse. Look at that. It's beautiful. One. Look at that. Soccer. FIFA World Cup, guys. But also, there's a lot of stuffs here. Look at cats. Minions. There's a lot of here. The numbers also. I think that's all for now, guys. Thank you.